When gaming, I was noticing some ping fluctuations, and I wasn't sure if it was the server I was on or if it was my internet connection to the internet, because that can be unstable. So I wanted to make a ping testing bat file. So this is how I did it. Just going to go down here, find Notepad. Then you're going to just type ping, which is self-explanatory, space -t, so it's repeating. And then the next step, well, you want to find somewhere to ping to test off of. And so looking at some good DNSs, of course, there's Google's DNS. Just doing a Google search here. So here are some good options. I'm going to stick with the Google DNS 8.8.8 because it's pretty simple and straightforward. So I'm just going to add that here, 8.8.8.8, and then we're just going to go up here to save as. Now the first thing you need to do is make sure you set it to all file types. I'm going to go, I already have made one of these, but here's another one. And then, very important step, you can do .bat or .cmd. And then when you hit save, it will create a application that will launch the command prompt. Let's save that. Now let's close this. Now if I double click this, it's just going to start returning its reply from Google's DNS. It tried that many bytes. I've currently got a ping of 70, so that's not terrible, but that means that I'm not going to be finding a game with a ping better than that, to my knowledge, unless it's like on a local server or somehow closer than Google. And so, yep. Now I can run that and just track to see as I'm gaming how my PC is communicating with the internet, so I'm not blaming the server itself and trying to find one that's in North America as opposed to other places. So that's working great. Also, bat files can be useful for many things. I have another one that I keep here in startup. Going to hit edit. This launches a MP3 file on startup because I couldn't get startup to launch an MP3 file. It just wants to launch programs. But then if I get it to launch this, so it just says start and you get the file path, and then it launches it on startup, and it works just great. Thanks. I hope this helps.